Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication fluency. The lessons we're going to cover today are multiplication tables up to 12, multiplication facts up to 12 true or false, multiplication facts up to 12 select the missing factors, multiplication sentences up to 12 true or false. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 3 math. The chapter we are on right now is multiplication fluency. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiplication tables up to 12. Multiply 1 times 4, so which is the correct option? 1 times any number is exactly the same number, right? 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. The next one is 3 times 5. So basically multiplications are repeated additions, right? That means you need to add again and again. Like here you have 5 times 3. You can add 3 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or either you add 5 3 times. They both are exactly same, right? So the correct option is 15. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Four times two, which is the correct option? You can add four two times or two four times. They both are exactly same, right? So for this smaller number, this is okay, but for the greater number, you must learn the tables, right? That is 8, because so many addition makes you can make it's greater chance to make mistake when you are adding so many times. So 4 times 2 is 8. Option number 3 is the correct option. The next one is 5 times 3. So which is the correct option? Either you do 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. So which is the correct option? 5 times 3 is 15. It is option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 1 times 4. So which is the correct option? One times 4 is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Any number when multiplied by 1 is exactly the same number, right? Okay, multiply 2 times 1. So like here you have 2. So any number when multiplied by 1 is exactly the same number, right? So 2 times 1 makes 2. The correct option is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 1 times 3. So, which is the correct option? Yes, you can. 1 times 3 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 5 times 5. So, which is the correct option? That is 5 times 5 is 25. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 1 times 1, which is the correct option. Yes, 1 times 1 is 1. The correct option is 1. The next one is 2 times 4. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 times 4 is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 times 3, which is the correct option? 4 times 3 is, yes, 12. It is the correct option is 12. Yes, that is exactly counting by threes, counting by twos. Like here you have 4 times 3. So you can count by threes, right? So if you don't know what is the multiplication tables, you can count by threes. So 4, 3 times 4 is 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 5 times 2, which is the correct option. The correct option is 2 times 5 is 10. Option number 2 is the 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can see the live chat button over here. You can simply contact any tutor on the live chat button. Okay, multiplication facts up to 12, true or false. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the first example is the number sentence true or false? That is 11 times 4. So you have to see 11 times 4 equals 44. You have to see when you multiply them if they makes 44. So you have to solve if both sides are equal, then that is true. Just do 11 times 4, right? 11 times 4 is 44. So both sides are exactly equal, so that means true it is. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. False. Why false? True it is. Is the number sentence true or false? You have 9 times 3 equals 27. So just solve this side, right? Let's see if 9 times 7 equals 9 times 3. You can skip counting by 3. So 3 times 9 is 27 and 27 is equal to 27, right? Both sides are exactly equal. So true it is. So both sides are exactly equal. So that means true it is. Got it? The correct option is true. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 7 equals 28. So is it true or false? The correct option is true it is, right? 4 times 7 equals 28. So that is true. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is the number sentence true or false? 11 times 4 equals 44. That is true it is, right? 11 times 4 is 44. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 times 9 equals 36. So which is the correct option? The correct option is false it is, right? Because 3 times 9 is 27, right? That isn't, that is not equal to 36. So, yes, false it is. Very good. The correct option is false. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 8 times 5 equals 48. So, which is the correct option? False it is. 8 times 5 is 40. So, that is false. Option number 2 is the correct option, and 40 is not equal to 48. So, false it is. Okay, the next one is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 10 equals 36. So, which is the correct option? 4 times 10 equals. False it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 12 times 5 equals 58. Yes, again false, because 12 times 5 is 60. That is not equal to 58. So false it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 2 equals 4. Very good. False it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 7 equals 7. False it is, right? 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 is not equal to 7. So false it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 8 equals 40. True it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiplication facts up to 12. Select the missing factor. Let's just start with the first example. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. You are given the numbers, they are 4, 6, 8, and 9. You have to see which two numbers have the product 72. So, which is the correct option? So, you are given 4, 6, 8, and 9. Okay, start with 4. 4 is the factor of 72, right? That means 72 can be divided by 4. But 4 times 18 makes 72. You don't have 18 over here, right? So, check with the 6. 6 is a factor of 72 because 72 can be divided by 6. 6 times 12 is 72. You are not given 12 in the box, right? The next one is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Yes, the correct option is 8 times 9 because 8 times 9 makes 72. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. The numbers are 4, 6, 8, and 9. So, which two numbers have the product 72? Yes, that is 8 times 9. 8 times 9 is 72. That's the one we just did, right? So, 8 times 9 is 72. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication table. Which two number have the product 14? So, which is the correct option? Start with the first number. 2 is the factor of 14. And 2 times what number makes 14? 2 times 7 makes 14. You have both the numbers here, 2 and 7. So, option number 1 is the, that is 2 and 7. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. So, which two numbers have the product 40? Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 15, which is the correct option? You guys are here to learn. Please focus on the learning. No one is answering the question. Yes, that is 3 times 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. 3 times 5 makes 15. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 18, which is the correct option? Very good. That is 3 times 6 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. We choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. So which two numbers have the product 18? Two times 9 is 18. Correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 16? So which is the correct option? Very good. That is 2 times 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 28? That is 7 times 4 is 28. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is the next lesson is the application sentences up to true or false. Let's just start the lesson. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 12 equals 3 times 4. So you need to solve both sides. If both sides have exactly the same answer, that means they are equal. 1 times 12 equals 3 times 4. So 1 times 12 is 12 and 3 times 12 is 12 and both sides are exactly equal. So true it is. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Is the number sentence true or false? You have 2 times 8 equals 11 times 1. So you can solve both sides. If they have same answer, then that means they are true. So 2 times 8 is 16 and 11 times 1 is 11. So that they are not equal. False it is. The correct option is false. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is false. Got it, everyone? The next one is the number sentence true or false? Which is the correct option? 1 times 10 equal 2 times false. So which is the correct option? That is 1 times 10 is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. So both sides are exactly equal. So that means true it is. The correct option is true. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Is the number sentence true or false? Which is the correct option? So let's just do 6 times 8 and 12 times 4. So 6 times 8 is 48 and 12 times 4 is 48. So both sides are exactly equal. That is true. It is option number 1 is the correct option. That is true. Is the number sentence true or false? Which is the correct option? Twelve times 8 equals 11 times 9. False it is. They are not equal. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 12 equals 3 times 8. So which is the correct option? The correct option is true it is, right? 2 times 8 is 24 and 3 times 8 is also 24. So both sides are exactly equal. True it is. Is the number sentence true or false? Which is the correct option? That is 4 times 6 equals 2 times 12. Which is the correct option? The correct option is true, it is, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 times 6 is 24 and 2 times 12 is 24. So, true it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 8 times 1 equals 2 times 4. So, which is the correct option? That is true. 8 times 1 is 8 and 4 times 2 is 8. So, true it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 8 equals 3 times 6. So, which is the correct option? They are not equal. False it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we were working on is multiplication fluency, and the lessons we have covered today are multiplication tables up to 12, multiplication facts up to 12, true or false, multiplication facts up to 12, select the missing factor, multiplication sentences up to 12, true or false. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can join me in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions if you need more help with any of the lesson. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have.